clouds doesn't fall at once. It settles like dust after the wind has nowhere left to go. Light doesn't arrive from outside, you simply notice you never really lost it. The city breathes beneath the skin of night. Footsteps have no destination, only direction. Not everything that fades was ever yours. Not everything that remains needs to be explained. There's a pulse inside the static, not loud, just enough to remind you you're still moving. Windows glow like distant thoughts, unanswered but not urgent. The air holds what was said and what never had to be. Some questions dissolve before they reach your mouth. Some answers arrive without a sound. And when warning isn't born from a shout but from a slow inhale, nothing has to be closed. No final words, no sharp lines, no echo demanding meaning, just the weight of your body balanced with the ground. Breathing without proving, standing without fighting the wind. After the noise, there's no victory.